Today, I'll show you how to connect Stripe to Calendly so you can collect payments automatically when people book time with you. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your Calendly account linked to Stripe and ready to accept paid bookings without any extra back and forth. Let's start inside your Calendly account. Once you're logged in, look for the main navigation menu. Depending on your layout, this might be on the left side or near the top of the screen. You're looking for the section labeled Integrations. This is where Calendly lets you connect with other tools like payment processors, video meeting platforms, and more. Go ahead and click on Integrations. This will open a page that lists all the different apps and services Calendly can connect to. There are usually quite a few options here, so instead of scrolling through everything manually, you'll use the search bar to quickly find Stripe. In the Integrations area, locate the search field. It's typically at the top of the list or near the center of the page. Click into that search bar and type Stripe. As you start typing, Calendly will filter the results and show you the Stripe integration option. When you see Stripe appear, click on it to open the integration details. This page gives you a brief overview of what the integration does, which is mainly to let you charge invitees when they schedule time with you. On this screen, look for a button or link that says Connect or Connect to Stripe. Click the Connect button. At this point, Calendly will redirect you to a Stripe-hosted page. Here, you'll either sign in to your existing Stripe account or create a new one if you don't already use Stripe. If you already have an account, simply enter your Stripe login details and continue. If you're setting up Stripe for the first time, follow the prompts to provide your business information, bank details, and any verification Stripe requires. Once you've logged in or finished setting up your Stripe account, Stripe will ask you to confirm that you want to connect it to Calendly. Review the permissions shown on the screen so you understand what access is being granted. When you're ready, approve the connection. After you confirm, Stripe will send you back to Calendly automatically. You should now see that the Stripe integration is marked as connected. Often Calendly will show a status indicator or a check mark next to Stripe to confirm that the link was successful. From here, you can go into your individual event types in Calendly and enable payment for specific meetings. This is where you can decide which events should be paid, how much to charge, and whether payment is required to confirm the booking. While that configuration is separate from the basic connection, it all depends on having Stripe successfully linked first, which you've just completed. If at any point in the future you need to disconnect or update the integration, you can return to the integrations page in Calendly, search for Stripe again, and adjust the connection from there. And that's all you need to connect Stripe to Calendly. Open integrations, search for Stripe, and hit connect. Once that's done, you're ready to start accepting payments directly through your Calendly booking pages.